In the heart of every home lies the kitchen, a place where culinary magic happens. Welcome to the future, where smart kitchen technology transforms every gastronomic journey into an effortless adventure. Picture this, a state-of-the-art oven that personalizes your cooking experience. With intuitive interfaces, it's as if the oven knows the perfect temperature for that golden brown crust. And the best part? Monitor your baking masterpiece from any corner of your home. But what's a smart kitchen without a high-tech fridge? Imagine a fridge that keeps track of your groceries. Forgot if you have eggs? No worries, your fridge has got your back. Now let's add a dash of magic with a smart scale. It measures, yes, but it also suggests recipes based on what you have. Talk about a personal chef. In this era of smart living, your kitchen is no exception. Dive into the future, where convenience meets culinary delight. Welcome to the world of smart kitchen gadgets, your secret ingredient to a seamless cooking experience. This is Smart Home Wizardry, where innovation meets culinary excellence. Upgrade your kitchen, upgrade your life.